I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a bank account to your Klarna wallet is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your wallet settings. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once you're in the app, find the Wallet section, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the Wallet section, look for the option to Add Bank Account. Tap on this to start the process of linking your bank. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Double check these details to avoid errors. Quick caution, if you accidentally enter the wrong routing number, it may lead to a failed connection, so verify it carefully. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review everything and hit confirm to save your bank account to your Klarna wallet. You should receive a confirmation message once it is successfully added. Now you're all set. Adding your bank account to Klarna wallet can make your shopping experience smoother. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.